Hey, so you're wondering, what do I got to do be sociable as an introvert? Well, guess what? You're not in the right place, just kidding. Let me warn you, though. This isn't your average video. You're going to hear a lot of cuss words.
Oh my God!
Don't say I didn't warn you. Let's get down to it then. So, you know how people always say you've got to be confident?
We have a
If I
problem.
could be confident, will I be here, huh? Huh? Now, let me tell you this shit. I'm not going to talk about any WikiHow and Google shit. This is some real shit that I think, well, might help or might not help. Being confident is a mindset. You've got to psych your fucking self up, man. This ain't no circus. Introverts are always overthinking, and that shit, man, I gotta tell you, let's be real. Confidence isn't something you wake up with like some magic superpower. It's a mindset, and you have to train yourself to think that way. It's not going to be easy, though. It's more like a muscle you build by saying, I'm gonna do this no matter how awkward I feel. And guess what? Feeling awkward is totally fine.
Please, no! No!
Rome wasn't
No!
built in one day, was it?
No!
Picture this. Every time you walk into a room and feel like everyone's staring, just remind yourself everyone's way too busy thinking about their own stuff to be all up in your business. Exactly. Nobody really gives a damn about you. They're all lost in their own thoughts as well. You can start building confidence by talking to yourself in the mirror. See your expressions and gestures in the mirror and imagine yourself talking to someone. Play pretend. Pretend you're talking to whoever you wish to talk to. Next, let's talk about overthinking.
I disagree.
Yeah, we're introverts, so our minds are like 24/7 thought factories. But here's the trick. Stop giving yourself time to second guess. See someone at a party or in class. Just say, hey,
Hello there.
what's up? Real smooth. Worst case scenario. They say, not much, and you move on. No big deal. And here's a game changer. Stop seeing social stuff as some giant performance. It's not. You're not putting on a show. You're just being yourself. Be curious about others. Ask questions.
This is the worst.
Show interest. And if the conversation gets weird, just laugh it off. That's how people connect in the real world. One last tip. Stop putting pressure on yourself to be someone else. You're not here to be the life of the party. You're here to bring some authentic vibes. Be genuine, be chill, and people will naturally feel drawn to that. So there you go. No WikiHow tips, no overcomplicated tricks, just real straight-up advice from one human to another. Now go out there and give it a shot. Worst case scenario, you've got an awesome story to tell later.